Welcome to Solar Science. Today I have ordered this kaleidoscope, which is also pronounced as kaleidoscope at times. So let's open it. So this is how it looks. Now let's zoom in. So this is how it looks like, and it costed me 199 rupees. Now I also asked my students to make this kaleidoscope for science project. Let me show you their kaleidoscope and then you can tell me which one is better. Okay, so here is my students project where they have used 3 mirrors, placed it at proper angles, and then you can see those patterns. Let's add some beads to it. Now observe the patterns. It looks beautiful. Actually, I love my student projects no matter what. If you like the video, thank you for watching and do subscribe.